In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Drive browser notification. If pop-up alerts from Google Drive keep breaking your focus, this quick walkthrough will show you how to turn them off right inside Drive while keeping your files and access exactly the same. We'll follow the built-in path so the change is clear, reversible, and applies only to the browser you're using. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Confirm you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. In the upper right corner of the Google homepage, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon, the small 3x3 dot menu. From the panel that opens, choose Drive. This takes you into Google Drive where you'll see your folders and files. If the Apps panel doesn't appear in your layout, you can also navigate directly to drive.google.com. The destination is the same. Once Drive is open, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon to open the Quick Settings menu. From that menu, select Settings. The full settings window will appear. On the left side, you'll see several sections. Click Notifications to open Google Drive's notification controls. In the Notifications area, find the section labeled Browser. This setting controls whether Drive can show alerts in this specific browser. For example, when someone shares a file with you, comments on a document, requests access, or when Drive needs your attention. To disable these browser notifications, uncheck the checkbox next to Browser. The change takes effect immediately. A few helpful notes for clarity. Turning off the browser option only stops Drive's in-browser pop-up notifications. It does not affect your ability to open, edit, or share files. It also doesn't change email updates or mobile push notifications that may be configured elsewhere. If the checkbox looks disabled, or you already aren't seeing pop-ups, your browser's own site permissions may be blocking notifications. That's fine for our purpose. This setting ensures Drive itself won't try to show them here. In some organizational accounts, administrators may manage or limit certain notification options. If you notice differences, that could be why. There's no Save button on this page. Your preference is stored automatically. You can close the settings window or keep working in Drive. If you ever want notifications back, return to the same place and check the box again. One final tip for consistency. Notifications are managed per browser and per profile. If you use Drive in multiple browsers or switch profiles, repeat this quick adjustment in each one to keep your experience aligned. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Google Drive browser notifications.